I'm here with the owner of this Mercedes-Benz AMG 63S. Nick, how's it going today?
It's going great. Thank you for having me on your channel.
What's your advice for someone that's looking to get a Mercedes-Benz AMG 63S?
To work hard on your business. If you have a business, just don't give up. It's hard to be an entrepreneur, but you just can't give up.
What about if they don't own a business?
I would advise for them to study. Just keep on studying the market, studying demand, and it'd be good to get a job of a field that you like and you study that type of business, and then you can build something off that type of business. I own Hyper One Automotive Solutions. We have our own car care products.
How did you get into that?
We got into this company about 2.5 years ago. We saw a demand for a product that was waterless. We wanted to create a product that nobody else has. So that's how we created H1 All-in-One.
How old are you?
I'm 18 years old.
18 years old? That's crazy, man. How did you learn to be an entrepreneur so young in life?
I learned from my parents.
What's one thing that they taught you while you were young that's helped you gain your success that you have?
Don't give up and just keep on trying with everything.
Is this your first business?
I had a business, we were starting it during COVID, but we couldn't take it to market because due to COVID, we were making protein bars, but then we got really nervous with the whole pandemic because we were launching it in March of 2020. So we stopped that, and then in 2021, we took this to market.
You've tried several businesses, but you didn't stop when you failed. You kept going and didn't quit.
Exactly. That's how it goes. We're on Amazon now. We're in many different shops. We just don't quit. We just keep on going.
How did you start the business, like from day one?
We started the business by partnering up with chemists and creating formulas. It took 2 years to create this one product.
Wow, 2 years.
Trial and error. Finally settled on one formula. We packaged it. We made a label. This is the first product we ever released. This is the H1 All-in-One. So for this one product, it took 2 years to take to market.
2 years to come out with the first product?
2 years. We want it to be so efficient that all you have to do is spray and wipe.
When did you get this car?
Actually, just about a month and a half ago.
Sweet, man. What's your favorite thing about it?
The sound that it makes. The sound. I really like it. It's a big twin turbo V8. I have a BMW M3, and the sound doesn't really compare to the AMG. The color and the sound of this car is really nice.
I appreciate you taking the time out of us to talk with me and to talk with our community. Is there any last words that you'd like to say?
I would like to say just follow your dreams. And if this is your passion, for me, cars and the whole automotive world is my passion ever since I was little. And that's why I have these products, because this is my whole passion, business and cars. So just follow your passion, follow your dreams, and don't give up.
That's going to do it for this video, guys. If you liked it, subscribe. I hope you guys and girls learned something from this video, because it's very possible, especially being as young as Nick is, or wherever you are in life. Start somewhere, and someday you'll be as successful as he is, or even more. Nick had some of the worst timing possible when he tried to start his first business with the protein bars in the middle of a pandemic that we haven't had in almost a century. But he realized that his circumstance was completely out of his control and didn't let that stop him. He still tried again, this time with a detailing company. Make the impossible possible, but you gotta really put in work, and you gotta do it right now. Remember, it's not about tomorrow or yesterday. It's about what you do right now. I can't wait for you guys to join me on my next interview where we have a special guest. I'll see you on that one.